Introducing Daikin Tech Hub, the essential tool built for contractors, by contractors. Launched in 2020 and with more than 450,000 downloads, Daikin Tech Hub enables contractors to boost productivity, simplify installs, and finish jobs fast. Tech Hub has numerous easy-to-use tools to help you adjust, fine-tune, and verify performance in seconds. Field Settings enables you to quickly look up key information for all of the equipment you are installing. The Refrigerant Calculator simplifies system charges. Input the installed pipe length, and the calculator provides precise system charge data based on Daikin specifications for each HVAC unit. The Compatibility Assistant ensures the different types of equipment you are installing are compatible with each other. These are just a few of the tools you will find in Tech Hub to make installations a breeze. To make Tech Hub even more useful in the field, we have included a built-in camera scanner. This makes error codes and product lookups fast. Simply scan the model number or error code to instantly access documents, troubleshooting steps, equipment registration, and even limited warranty details, all without leaving the app. Tech Hub brings multi-brand versatility to every job and is available in English, Spanish, and French. From residential comfort to commercial performance, Tech Hub delivers advanced support for VRV and light commercial systems, empowering technicians with real-time diagnostics in the field. Stay sharp with continuous learning. Access Daikin's training videos and HVAC Learning Campus directly through the app anytime, anywhere. Need extra help? Tech Hub's chatbot gets you the information you need fast, and Daikin's 24/7 support team is a tap away for real-time assistance, so you're never left waiting. Whether on your phone or tablet, Tech Hub keeps you connected wherever the job takes you. Join thousands of contractors nationwide who trust Daikin Tech Hub to simplify their day, boost productivity, and elevate every job. Daikin Tech Hub is your complete HVAC solution. Download now, available on iOS and Android. Daikin Tech Hub, always with you.